Welcome to the Microsoft Project Professional Interactive Engagement session. In today's session, we will target to master leveling resource concept for logical resource mobilization. Now, suppose you as a project manager need to analyze this situation. You have to mobilize 100 Mason on a day 1, on a day 2 50 Mason, again on a day 3 100 Mason, and so on, based on the schedule that you have prepared. Now, will it be logically possible for you to mobilize 100 Mason and then demobilize 50 Mason, then again mobilize 50 Mason? It will not be practically possible, and hence the plan will fail. If as a project manager you have to mobilize such uneven resource, then definitely the outcome will be the failing of the entire project or the planning that have been done. But to succeed, you need to level the resource. Once you level the resource, suppose require 75 Mason on each of the day, then this resource can be mobilized and your plan will be successful for the successful delivery of the project. Now let us begin resource leveling in the sample project that we have created. Now this is the project which you have created. Now if you go to the resource sheet, here again you change these values which we changed in the last session based on the maximum values. Now suppose the project other stakeholders says that only 1000% or 100 fitter gang can be made available, only 100 shuttering labor can be made available, only 100 mason can be made available, only 100 rigger can be made available. This may be a resource constraint that is added to your sample project. Now here you can see that these three resources are over allocated. Now the only solution left for you is to do the resource leveling and then the manual reshuffling of the activity to adjust your schedule based on the availability of the resources. Now with this constraint of resource, we need to understand that how we need to modify the schedule so that it logically still remain valid. Now these are all the activities based on which there are three resources which are over allocated, shown by the red mark on the main screen. Now if you go to resource, there is an option of resource leveling. Now you have to select the resource to which you want to level. Now if we go to resource sheet, we have three resources which we need to level: fitter, shuttering gang and the mason. So first we level the fitter gang. Now if we go to the Gantt chart, we can see the date has been changed. This is because the program in the MSP has shuffled the activity based on the availability of the fitter gang. Now the second resource, that is the shuttering labor, we need to level that. Now if we see the fitter gang, the maximum unit the MSP has set is the 100, that is the 1000%. So our resource constraint have been taken care of. Now you can also observe the changes which have been made by the program while you level the resource. Now if we see, on a particular date we require 140 hours of the shuttering gang or shuttering labor. If we level the shuttering labor, let's see what changes will happen. Right now we require 140 hours but we have only 100 hours. So once we level it, it will automatically make the maximum unit as 100 hours and reshuffle the activities. Again if we see the mason, the maximum availability of mason that we have on a site is 100 mason. But on a particular day we require 120 mason. Now this is again a resource constraint to us. We need to level this resource because it is over allocated. Now if we level the mason, let's see the change. Here you can see both the activities are parallel, that is bull padding for plaster and the plaster activity. Now once we click on the level option, also on the Gantt chart we can observe the same thing. Bull padding and the plaster both of these activities falling on the same timeline. Now you can also observe the other activities in which the mason has been utilized, and you can understand that what is the timeline that you have set and what are the changes made by the program once you click on the level resource. Now let us see the change made by the MSP once we click on the level. You can see the bull padding has been shifted. So this simply means that whenever you do the leveling resource, what MSP does, based on the maximum availability of the resources, it reshuffles the activities. Due to this reshuffling, the date of the project also extends. That means it also may change the critical path or may alter the critical path. The first thing that MSP will use, that is the float, but after that it will also use the zero float activity. You need to observe, like in column reinforcement, you can see that how the MSP has leveled the resource. It may break the activity into two different parts. Also, you can see in the slab reinforcement, it has broken the activity. Now this is the way by which the MSP has been taken care of the resource constraint that we have defined in the resource sheet. Now this is a very important concept, because resource leveling is something that MSP allows you to logically plan your resources. Also, it allows you to take care of your resource constraint. Resource is one of the major things that finally decide the success of the project. So only a resource loaded schedule is more practical in nature and can forecast the better outcome of the future expected completion date of the project. We can also select the level all option to directly level all the resources. You must also go through the leveling option, that how it allows you to alter, or based on your preference you may level few of the resources with few conditions. You can also select the option to level only the activity which is non-critical without changing the critical path of the project. So you can also understand all these 5 options by creating a sample project, loading a resource in it, and then seeking for the changes that MSP will make once you select a different combination of the options. Now here we have a program where we have defined the activities, we have logically linked the activities, we have loaded the resources, we have analyzed the resources, we have decided what could be the maximum unit of the resources, and then whatever resources are still over allocated in this session, we have also leveled the resource. Now this program is good enough to create a baseline schedule. Now it's your turn to showcase your skill.